Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the color frame effect on CapCut. So initially you're going to want to go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll down to find the color frame effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, kind of scroll through and bring it to the beginning of the clip to elongate the rest of the effect to fit the entirety of the clip. Now, with this effect being highlighted, we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the color and the strength of this effect. And it's kind of already maxed out. And we can also add keyframes to it. We have a tutorial on that as well. So let's take a look. That's a pretty cool effect. I like it. Well, guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.